Manager ServSafe Practice Test. Question 1. The correct way to measure jaundice relates to which virus? Is hepatitis A, HIV, rotavirus, norovirus. Jaundice is a yellowing of the skin/eyes associated with hepatitis A. Question 2. Which is a key component of dishwasher final rinse temp, high temp, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. High temp machines need 180 degrees Fahrenheit to sanitize. Question 3. Why is HACCP Principle 7 important in a kitchen? Monitoring, record keeping, correcting, analyzing. Step 7 is documentation. Question 4. What is the critical limit for safe temperature for steaks? 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Steaks should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 5. Documentation for listeria risk group must include children, healthy men, pregnant women, teenagers. Listeria is especially dangerous for pregnant women and fetuses. Question 6. A manager must ensure that HACCP Principle 4 is handled by limit, monitoring procedures, analyze, correct. Step 4 is monitoring the CCPs. Question 7. A food safety manager must remember that common allergen, tree nuts is chestnuts, peanuts, acorns, walnuts. Tree nuts like walnuts are allergens, distinct from peanuts. Question 8. To prevent illness, HACCP Principle 4 must be monitoring procedures, analyze, limit, correct. Step 4 is monitoring the CCPs. Question 9. To ensure quality, glove changing frequency must follow. When they get wet, every hour, every 4 hours, once a day. Gloves must be changed every 4 hours during constant use. Question 10. When training staff on HACCP Principle 6, emphasize that verify the system works, analyze, monitor, record. Step 6 is verification. Question 11. How does Big 6 pathogen E. coli affect food safety? Shiga toxin producing E. coli, hepatitis A, norovirus, Salmonella typhi. E. coli is one of the Big 6 pathogens. Question 12. Which of these is prohibited regarding drinking in prep areas? Covered container with straw, glass, bottle, open cup. Drinks must have a lid and straw in prep areas. Question 13. The definition of MSDS purpose in the FDA Food Code is work schedules, inventory lists, food recipes, chemical safety info. Material safety data sheets, now SDS, provide chemical safety details. Question 14. Which detail is essential for light intensity in buffet areas? 20-foot candles, 50 FC, 10 FC, 100 FC. Self-service and display areas need 20-foot candles. Question 15. What is the main goal of Staphylococcus aureus? Bacteria from skin/nose, parasite, virus, soil. Staph is carried on human skin and transferred by touch. Question 16. The definition of an alert stands for in the FDA Food Code is always, assure, alert, apply. FDA Food Defense Tool, assure, look, employees, reports, threat. Question 17. The primary concern with jaundice relates to which virus? Is HIV, rotavirus, hepatitis A, norovirus. Jaundice is a yellowing of the skin/eyes associated with hepatitis A. Question 18. Which detail is essential for chemical hazard? Degreasers, mold, fungi, bones. Cleaning chemicals like degreasers are chemical hazards. Question 19. The definition of calibration method, ice point in the FDA Food Code is 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius. The ice point method involves adjusting the thermometer to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 20. The most critical factor in Anisakis simplex is parasite in fish, chemical, bacteria, virus. Anisakis is a worm parasite found in raw fish.